hot, or maybe because I'm always in some shit and I don't know what I got to do. So, I'm gonna try something different. I have 7 minutes. Makeup Couture with powder. So these are the main things I'm gonna use for my face. I use so many different moisturizers. I love this. I love this. This is the shit. So I'm fixing to use serum because I have not did a facial mask to use serum, and I only use serum when I do my facial mask. Now I love this facial mask. It peels all your skin off, and if you have hair bumps, it makes the hairs come out. This is the best. You leave it on for 30 minutes and it peels off. I only use it once a week. I don't have to use it twice a week anymore. So I'm going to start with this. And I'm going to just moisturize my face. When I moisturize my face, I even moisturize my arms, you know, because I donate plasma and stuff. And, you know, sometimes, you know, when you take care of your skin and stuff, the next thing I'm going to use is this Clinique Smart Clinical. I love this. I love, love, love this. It's like another moisturizer mask. I love, love this. You get that out of Sephora. Everything I'm going to show you get out of Sephora. Now, I'm not fixing to put no eyeshadow on. I might not even do my eyebrows because I might not have enough time. I'll try to fill my eyebrows in. Other than that, it's hot outside. Okay. Another thing you need to try is the Bum Bum. I'm going to put this on. It's for your booty, and it has a great fragrance for your skin. You don't even have to use that much. It's body for body, but we're talking about makeup. Okay, so after this, I have my eye cream. I love this eye cream. This eye cream, I had scars on my face. I was using this eye cream for my scars. As you see, I'm almost out. It's like $10, $12 at Sephora. It's the best eye cream ever. You can use this on scars on your face and it will get rid of it, baby. Get rid of it. But anytime you're going to use some concealer, anything, or put some makeup on, I always have eye cream, and you rub it underneath, around your eye and on your eyebrows, okay? So let me hurry up. So I do concealer as well, using powder. But I'm not using concealer today because I don't have my brushes with me. I have my brushes in the back and I don't have enough time to go and get my damn brushes. My eyes stuff, my lips stuff, my eyes stuff. All of my brushes, Now this is the magic thing we're fixing to use. This makes wonders. This is a foundation with powder in it. So I'm not really trying to be glam and it's too hot. So I'm just going to make it kind of simple where it's a natural look and you really don't have to fill in your eyebrows, you know what I mean? You can fill in your eyebrows, but I'm not. I'm just going to put some powder on my face and I need my concealer brush. Because normally what I do in my concealer is I highlight around my mouth and my eyes. And therefore when I put my lipstick on, you can tell my lips are luscious. But I do not have my down. Do not have my pumpkin. Excuse me, my brushes. I left them in the bag. My brushes in the bag down my pumpkin. So I'm just going to put a little bit of eyeliner down here, and you'll normally, and I'll put some eyeliner and some mascara on to fill my eyes before I do my powder. But I'm going to put my mascara on after I do my powder. Now I love Cat. I love this. It's Cat Von D. I love them. I have all of their products. I have a lot of eye pencils, lipsticks from them, all kinds of stuff. I love this brand. So I normally use like a foundation brush, like a typical small foundation brush. I use my powder like I'm putting on foundation. So let me hear me do this because I only got like less than a minute. So as you see, I'm putting it on with a brush. I always use brushes for my powder. And you can always reapply powder. You know what I mean? This powder has foundation in it. So therefore, if you're looking for, instead of using liquid foundation for the summer and you want to make it light because it's too hot and you know how makeup sweats off, I will suggest to get a Sephora powder or whatever powder you use, but make sure it has foundational powder. You know what I mean? And really, that's just all I do. Like I say, I normally use a little bit of concealer under my eyes and around my mouth to highlight, but that's it. I don't normally make it any worse or harder than what it's supposed to be. You can use Fenty powder, you can use NARS powder, Anastasia's powder, Dior, Gucci powder from Sephora. They have all many different kinds, but I'm just I only got like 20 seconds left. Okay, so after you do your powder and stuff, you can sit up there and you can highlight if you want gold bronzers, white bronzer, you can do all of that. Other than that, I'm gonna put my lipstick on and